This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting 4U installed and the device ready. Download and run the official installer, then allow the program to modify your system if prompted. Connect the phone with a reliable USB cable and confirm it shows charging. This verifies the link. Make sure battery is above 50% and note any lock PIN. You'll need it for some workflows. Once done, open 4U and select the correct mode for your device model so the tool can detect hardware specifics. You now move into the core procedure where timing matters. Select the unlock mode that matches your goal. Each mode alters firmware and reset behavior. Once you start, follow the program's DFU or recovery instructions exactly. These are device-specific and often require precise button presses. The app will download firmware. Let it finish and verify the checksum so you avoid corrupt packages. While flashing or processing, do not disconnect the cable. Interruption can brick the device, so stay patient and watch. You finish by following the final prompts to apply changes and reboot. After restart, test unlocking, Wi-Fi, and calls to confirm the device operates normally. If you need your data, restore from a pre-existing backup, then update the OS to maintain security. If something goes wrong, the first troubleshooting moves are simple. Retry the exact sequence, switch USB cable or port, and run the firmware download again. If repeated attempts fail, collect logs and contact support with device model and error codes for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.